What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ayala, and today I am back with another video. As you guys seen by that title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to tie a wrap top, a scarf top. I don't know what to call it, but this shirt right here. I'm gonna show you guys at least 5 to 6 different ways you guys can tie this shirt. This shirt did not come like this. It came in it came how a scarf would come, so that's kind of why I call it like a scarf top or a wrap top. If there's a different word for it, comment down below and let me know, because I would like to know. But I'm just gonna give you guys some styles. I'm gonna show you guys how to do the styles, and yeah, so that's really like pretty much it. Like, this is going to be a very simple video. We're going to get straight to it. So if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Please make sure to subscribe, and if you have already subscribed, thank you so much and welcome back. Like, thank you for tuning into my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Comment down below if you've already been subscribed, and comment down below if you're ready to see these styles. So let's get into it. I'm gonna try to show you guys as best I can without the girls coming out. So this is the first style, and I'm gonna just come up with names for these styles, just, you know, to make it fun. So this is the first style. I'm gonna call this the cross boob style. The cross boob style. So I basically just took the wrap and you know, pulled one side up, pulled the other side up, and just tied it in the back. And it looks like this. So super cute. And then, yeah, so this one's pretty, you know, self-explanatory. So this is number 1. So the second style, like I said before, I'm gonna do this on camera. So let's try not to get a boob slip here. So for the second style, I'm just gonna make a knot right here. Oop. Don't worry, I'm gonna fix that. This is just, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this on camera. Let's see. Okay, you guys see me tie the knot though. Can't be on here getting naked and stuff, showing my goodies. All right, so after tying the knot, as you guys can see, like the inside of the scarf is showing, so you kind of just flip it inside out and, you know, turn it around so it doesn't show, type of thing. I can show you guys. So this is the second style, number 2, and it just looks regular in the back. And then style number 3, we're gonna keep it tied like this, and we're gonna bring this one to the back, and we're gonna bring this one down here, and then and then we bring it together, and then tie it. You can just do a regular tie, or you can do a little bow like that, and then, you know, fix this so that the white part doesn't show. But that's as good as it's gonna get right now. And even if the white is showing, it still looks good, you know? So yeah, this is the third style that you can do with this wrap top. I think this is cute. This is really cute. This is super cute. So boom. Yeah, this is the third, so on to the next. Okay, so for this fourth style, this is the fourth one, right? Yeah. For the fourth one, what was I gonna do with this one? We're gonna untie this, and then we're gonna just slide this to the back so that it can be like this. You get what I'm saying? And honestly, you can just, you know, tie it. You can just tie it so that it can be like this. Because this is cute too. Just like a shirt like this. This is pretty cute to wear in the summertime, like to the beach, or like if you're going to like a water park or something. This is cute. So I'm gonna just say that this is style 5. Like this is another style. But this is not what I was gonna do. What I was gonna do is wrap it and then bring it around. Tying it. Boom. It's a whole lot of knots and wrapping in this. It's a wrap top. That's what I'm gonna call it, a wrap top. So this is the 5th style. This is cute. This is really cute. I love this. And this is what it looks like in the back. This is style number 5. And then and you guys, I'm kind of just coming up with this as I go, because when I wear shirts like this, that's exactly what I do. Boom. And then connect them in the back. Yeah. And then you would tie it, and this is how it would look. You can put it down a little bit, or you can, you know, put it like that. And it's really cute, honestly. Like, this is cute. I love it. I love it. But yeah, you guys, so this is number 6. And then you know, if you guys didn't like that one, which I'm pretty sure you guys will, you can also do this. The back. Actually, I would just leave it like that. I wouldn't even make a knot. I would just have it just like that. And it's cute. Like, this is cute, you guys. Look at this. This is cute. And this is number 7. This is number 7. All right, so I'm gonna do one more style. After this, 1 second. We pretty much tie it right here. And then, you know, tighten it. And then bring it around your neck. Okay. Y'all see where I'm going with this? And then you tie a little knots right there. I'll probably do it on the side, but yeah, I did this with another shirt before, and yeah, I did this with another shirt before, but it was longer. But you can still do this style. Like, this is still cute, and you can still do it. And this is what it looks like in the back. Really freaking cute, you guys. So that pretty much wraps up this video though, you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video and you guys want to see more tutorials like this, or even if you guys want to see me do more styles with this shirt, like, it's endless styles that you can do with these type of shirts. So if you guys want to see more of that, comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like. And if you simply enjoyed me and you want to see more content from me, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be coming with content every week. You can expect to see me 3 times a week. So yeah, what else? That's really it. So I hope you guys enjoyed these styles, and I hope you guys try them. Comment down below if you try them, and tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is right there or right here. I don't know which side it's going to be on, but it's going to be right here. And you can also find all my social medias in the description below, and you can also find my previous videos in my bio, so, or in my description below. So check that out, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.